Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. So as you can see, I am back home in the city. I'm no longer at camp as I'm recording these, but I got this in from Amazon and I'm super excited to share it with you. This is from ARTDOT. Life is more fun when you paint by diamond as an artist, and this is how they sent it. This just arrived and it came in a box saying ARTDOT, which I kind of don't like because that means anyone who sees it, who's delivering it, might steal it. And we have had trouble with our delivery people stealing stuff. So either that or they're just getting stolen as soon as they're dropped off. I don't know. But we've had a real issue in our town. But here it tells you exactly what it is. And I do not like that. I wish ARTDOT would cover this all up. Even if they just taped some brown paper on top of that. That would be a lot safer. But anyway, it arrived. Nobody stole it, so that's good news. So let's take a look at what this is. Although we know from looking, this is my brand new giant Lightpad. Because I ordered some bigger diamond paintings, and as much as I love my size A3 Lightpad, I really do love it a lot. I wanted something a little bit bigger for the bigger paintings. This wasn't necessary by any means, but I wanted to get it, so let's see what's in the package. And look how big this box is. I mean, here's my hand for scale. Here's a bottle of water for scale. Okay, this is huge. So, like, that's a giant pillow that I have there, by the way. Like one of those leany on your back pillows. So first of all, we get this really nice stand, or I think it'll be nice. I hope it'll be nice. So it's got all kinds of different places where you can set it up. So you can have it where it's up high or leaning down quite a bit, which is really nice. You could choose wood angle, and I like art, so this will also be nice for art. And as you can see, we have some clips, so I'm just going to take this stand and put it aside for now. I'm going to move the cat, use this pillow. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these clips, and I just bought a bunch of these at the dollar store, so I do have extras, but it is always nice to have extras of these. And it looks like we have the cord to plug it in. And one side is the thicker end and one side is the thinner end. And it looks like the thicker end goes here and gets plugged into the floor. Hopefully it's long enough to do that. If not, I can just, usually what I do is I plug one end into my computer instead of worrying about the floor plug, because it's just easier. My laptop is usually right next to me. But I'll figure out how that's going to work. And we get a bunch of supplies. It looks like, let's open this up on camera. Let me tilt this down a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. So, we get a big tray. I just forgot what the dots are called. A drill tray. It's a drill tray. A big drill tray. And then we get the smaller kit, the smaller trays that come with every kit. I don't like these because I find them very, very tippy because they're beveled on the sides. And if you just tap them, they tip over. Whereas these, you could tap them and they don't tip. This, just the slightest tap, like I'm hardly touching it and it wants to flip over. And these square ones where they go totally up and down, these are way better for me. So I do not use these at all. I might try to find some way to do arts and crafts with them, but that's about it. We got some tweezers, some wax, some sticky pages, like stickers so that you could write on the I don't know what they're called, like the storage container things. A regular pen with a 1 drill thing on the one end, and it looks like this is a 3. And this has got a hole. I find a lot of times these come with the holes in the bag, so everything falls out. So we've got a little bag of baggies. I'm not going to count them. I'm going to guess there's about 10 in there. We got a little squeegee thing. I'm not really sure what this is for because it seems too thick to make the lines in between go straight. Can someone tell me what these are supposed to be for? And all of the pens are really nice. They have other edges on them. So we've got a series of different edges, which are very nice. Although I do prefer the thinner ones than to the thick ones. But these are still nice to have. So I will not say no to that. So that's good. And for some reason, these baggies always come with a hole in the bottom. I think the tweezers are the ones that put the holes. So I'm just going to quickly throw everything back in here just to keep it organized, and hopefully they won't fall out the bottom. And we got a set of storage containers. They're very tiny. They're like the pill boxes. So I do not use these. I find these too small. But these might be good for keeping my my special drills when I have leftovers. Because there's never a lot of leftover special drills. So I might keep these just to organize the special drills. But I do not care for this kind of a storage container. I just find they're too small. I would prefer to fill one thing with one color. But you know what? If they're going to give this to me free in the kit, I am not going to say no. And now for what I've been waiting for. And it seems to have been really nicely packed. Hopefully it's all good. Let's take off these corner edges. And this box is really nice. We have a brand new ARTDOT light. And it is massive. This is the size A2, you guys. A2. So let me just get rid of this box for a minute. And let's set this up. Let's set up the stand for a minute. So that is enormous. That is so big. All right, so now, hang on a second. Well, I grab my old one, okay? Here is my A3 size. I'm going to take everything off, and that's just tape. That's nothing broken. So if I put it here, you can see the difference in size. It's a huge difference in size. Now, this A3 size that I usually use, it perfectly holds a regular diamond painting, like a regular size diamond painting, a 30 by 40. It's a perfect fit for a 30 by 40. But if you go to something bigger, like I have this 40 by 40, and it doesn't fit. And I have a lot of bigger ones too that I want to start working on. So, and I like it where it's all tight. So this will work really nicely for the bigger ones. This is the 40 by 40. This is the one that I might do next. I really love this one, but I don't know if I'll do this next. But I just wanted to show you for size that it will fit, and it'll fit a much bigger diamond painting as well. So I think that is really, really great. I do love it. I probably will use this the most because most of my diamond paintings that I buy are 30 by 40. But I did want to have this on hand. So let's see if I can turn it on. Usually it plugs in underneath here. And I've got my overhead lights on, so you can't really see. But it usually goes 1, 2, 3, off. 1, 2, 3, off. And the ARTDOT one that I have already, I love it. So I thought I'd get another one, even though ARTDOT, this company, almost killed me with one of their supply cases, one of their storage boxes came with like a perfume pack that just knocked me out. It was so strong. But I do like their light pads, so I thought I wanted to go with the same company. So you can see it makes a real difference when you light it up. Let me just bring it closer. It makes it much easier to see. And I don't know if my camera is zooming in or not. Especially the darker colors. So if you're having trouble seeing, it's my camera having trouble focusing, and it's not the light pad. The light pad works great. So, and I do like that it gives you so many different ways to put it. Like you can put it so it's up high, you can put it so it's down low. So it will really give your arm a break, a really, really good break. And that is really beautiful. I love it a lot. And it does plug right into my laptop perfectly, which is great. So this is regular $67.99 Canadian on Amazon.ca. I did not pay that. I had a $20 off coupon. So I paid $47.99 Canadian and I got free shipping. And it came very, very quickly because I wasn't going to pay $70 for this, you guys. But I couldn't find anything anywhere by any brand even close to the regular price, let alone the $20 off price. So I will let you know how I like it, but it is so big. It's just amazing how big it is. There's my pop bottle, my water bottle for size. Like, and that is a 40 by 40. I wish I had a bigger diamond painting to show you. Like, I wish I had a 50 by 60, but I did order some in, and we'll be doing some unboxing soon for those. But for now, that's like the one that I wanted to work on, but it didn't fit on my other one. And I do love this one. I've gotten a lot of use out of my other one. And I do like that size. This size is very convenient and easy to use. But for bigger diamond paintings, I think this... You can get an A1. So I can't even imagine how big an A1 would be. But I'm pretty sure this is as big as I'm going to go. The A2 size. So what do you guys think? I love it. And I think for $20 off, that $20 coupon showed up. And I was so happy because this has been in my wish list for a very long time. I've wanted this for ages. And it's nice that it came with all these extras. I wasn't really expecting that. You know, it came with all of this stuff. Plus this, so I can plug it right into the power bar if I want to, which is really nice. But I do plug it into my laptop because my laptop's always right next to me. Because I watch Netflix or YouTube videos while I diamond paint. I don't just diamond paint. And I don't just watch Netflix. I always have to be doing more than one thing at a time. But that's just me. But anyway, and the size that they gave me for these ones are the same that I bought at the dollar store. I bought the colored ones at the dollar store. So that's nice because I find that size is a nice size for working with. Alright, so that's about it. I'm super, super excited about this. I can't wait to get started on my next diamond painting. It might be this one. I'm not sure. I have to do an unboxing pretty soon. I have another order in from fan cells. I just haven't gotten to it yet. Alright guys, if you like this, let me know. Leave a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Do you have one this size? Do you enjoy it? Alright guys, take care, stay safe, and bye for now. Bye guys!